Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the spark plug terminal on this Briggs Stratton engine, you will need a small flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers, and crimping pliers. Before you begin this procedure, make sure the engine has cooled. Detach the spark plug wire and boot from the spark plug. You can place a drop of liquid dish soap into the boot to assist in pulling it off the wire and terminal. If still intact, you can use needle nose pliers and the small flathead screwdriver to help detach the old terminal. To install the new spark plug terminal, fold the protruding wire down over the insulation, then align the terminal, and use the crimping pliers to crimp the base of the terminal over the insulation, making sure the terminal is in contact with the folded wire. Now slide the boot over the terminal and onto the wire. Attach the wire and boot to the spark plug, and the engine should be ready for use.